Hello, everyone, and welcome to the True Plan of Living. Today, we will be preparing curry tofu marinade. Here are our ingredients. We need 1 package extra firm or super firm tofu, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons Bragg's liquid amino, or you can use coconut aminos if you prefer, quarter teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon salt. We're going to drain and cut tofu in cubes or whichever style you desire. And then we're going to add our ingredients and combine. Tofu by itself tastes like nothing, but if it is seasoned quite well, it is so delicious. A great alternative to meat. And there you have it. You can let it marinate for approximately 15 to 30 minutes or overnight, whatever is your preference. Please remember to subscribe to our videos, hit that notification bell, and share our videos with others. And that's it on the true plan of living. On the true plan of living. See you next time.